Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a short one today. It's day after storm, bibbit, bobbit, whatever they wanted to call it. Yeah, just about every river in Norfolk country is either burst its banks and, well, they've receded now, but there's just debris everywhere. There's standing water everywhere. Driving up here were insane. And Basel looks like a bomb's gone off in it. Down nether end of Basel, it's just bits of wall in the middle of the road up, tarmac's ripped up. All good fun. I had a nip out to Waterfall swallow it, so I'll put that footage on at end. Right, we're off to find a trig that's not much of a trig anymore. I've always wanted to come and find this. You never see many people actually do it, so I thought, you know what, it's high up, it's out of the way, no chance of falling in the river and drowning. Let's get that one ticked off. So we're off to find rake, what remains on it. Not going to be much of a trig this one, but we'll see if we can find what's left on it. Been up here plenty of times before. We're on Longston Edge. Car's down there in Little Longston. As always, whenever I'm around this way, I always park up down there. It's a good little starting point down there. And this hill's killing me already. Alright, let me spin this camera around and show you some of these views. Some rake crackers up here. Yeah, yesterday were a bit bonkers. The flooding were insane. It's bad do when you see your own town on main news. And there's like 400 houses gone under, which is, you gotta feel sorry for them, haven't you? I know my own house, it comes close and I live on top of a bloody hill. Just out water comes down, and you can't stop the bloody stuff. But yeah, I say wreckage on roads, it's just crackers. There's just lumps of road ripped up everywhere. And Derbyshire roads aren't best of roads anyway. There's trig pillars up there, or there's remains of trig pillars up here somewhere, I think. We're closing in. Yeah. And anybody who watched that Grange Hill video I put on a few weeks ago, that's one of the rivers that caused it. It's a tiny little stream. Runs into River Ripper, which takes all its water from Beeley Moor, so gives you some idea how bad that is. Well, I had to go across there and all yesterday to get to Horse, Daughter's Horse, and I don't know how I did it. I had water over at bonnet and I should have filmed that. Right, I don't know, I've come up road, look, and I'm unsure whether I should have used road or look a footpath at bottom, because the barbed wire fence that splits them in. Because it roofing it down yesterday, I bought a new coat. I bought a Gore-Tex one at last. Finally bought another Gore-Tex coat. Move a little Burgas, it had have been better put a bin liner on. Yeah, I expected weather to be a bit worse today, so to wait for another day to test it out. I've even put my leatherons on. I expected it to be that bad. My trusty Mammoths, these are rake boots, these are probably the best boots I own. Never let me down. The triggy's there, or remains of triggy's there. Look at this. It's easy, I can just stand straight over. I'm guessing countless people have done this before. Oh, kick bloody great big rock there. And we're over, simple as that. And there's another fence, I just opens this side on it. I rake 391. Right, I rake. Where's he gone? The back of my head. 391 metre. I'm guessing it's half been buried. So that looked like top end on it. Couldn't see no flush bracket or anywhere, you know, well, for a flush bracket where it sits. Couldn't see none of that. All the spider and everything's gone, which kind of figured. Let me spin round and show you the back of this quarry. That's a rake hole, that thing. So I did a video back when I was Danny and across back of there. And that is a big ass hole, that. Oh, I can hear a 4x4 on an oak farmer's making about that. It's passed me twice on way up. Hope I don't get shot at that. I'm not in the mood. Hey, can't work out what's there. Yeah, it's not far from this broken fence. Trig really is easy to get to. Yeah, it's been on my list forever, that. I've never really rushed for it because why would you? There's not really much there, is there? Right guys, pretty much at the end of this one now. Told you it weren't going to be too long. It's just all tarmac bashing down hill now, and it's only what I've shown you on way up. I'm going to leave you with waterfall swallow footage from this morning. That's a rake gobble trying to get that out. Right guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Hey, I'll see you on next one. Guys, check this out. I said this would end, but look who I found. Hey, it's Steve from Fat Bloke Hiking. How are we doing, brother? Well, that was Steve from Fat Bloke Tries Hiking. I've always wondered if I'd ever see another YouTuber. I bet we've been talking for a good 2 hours probably. Good to see you, Steve. Anyway, let's get on to this waterfall swallow.